Yep, got the perps just flashing their lights in my window. It's a fire truck. You do this with ambulances, with ice cream trucks, all kinds of different vehicles. This is one of the more obvious times. They're just sitting there flashing with no sound, no reason to be there. And yeah, it's a fire truck, local fire department. This is where your taxpayer dollars are going. Harassing the public. They've been here for a while. I just finally started recording it. I only have this really shitty tablet, so I don't have a phone, and I don't have a way to record stuff normally, and I rarely catch it where I can have it recorded. So here's my first bit of evidence I was able to collect. But this kind of thing has been going on for years, guys. I mean, this is just one-off moment of it happening all the fucking time. And it's like the crappiest camera, the grainy film, but I mean, I know y'all see it.